Unhide the fuel tank. Add a cylinder with 18 segments. Enter a radius of 1 and a height of 3 cm. Go to Edit mode and select these edges. Chamfer a touch. Select the half and move away. Select these guys and scale up on Y-axis. Select this edge and bevel. Select the top polygon and enlarge it approximately 2x. Go to Object mode and rotate 14 degrees in Y-axis. Select the fuel tank and add a Boolean modifier. Pick cylinder as a difference operator. Let's rename the cylinder to carver. Select the fuel tank and hide everything else. Go into Edit mode and make a couple of loop cuts. Select this edge ring and subdivide it with 4 cuts. Go to Object mode. Enable wireframe shading. Let's go into Edit mode and add 2 more loop cuts, here and here. Back to Object mode. Unhide the carver. Select it and go to Edit mode. Select all edges and move it down a little on the local Z-axis. Let's select these edges and move up a touch. Now select these edges and move them in local X-axis. Let's select this edge and move a little back on X-axis. Now move these edges up until this loop cut is visible. In Object mode, select the fuel tank, hide the carver and apply the Boolean modifier. Switch to Edit mode and start working with the redundant vertices. Merge at last. Join. Dissolve. Get out of X-ray mode. The polygon is missing. Let's select the edge border and fill it. Select and join these vertices. Select these faces and inset. Do the same with these 2 faces. Again, let's deal with the extra vertices. Enable solid shading. Go to Object mode, Shade Smooth. Let's try subsurface modifier. Not bad. Go to Edit mode. Make a cut with the knife tool. Dissolve this edge. And this one. This edge. And this one too. We can't just mirror because we rotated the top ring in the second part of this tutorial series. Detach the top ring. Select right half and delete. Add a mirror modifier. Choose Y-axis. Try subsurface modifier. Apply mirror modifier and cancel subsurface modifier. Reattach the top ring and merge by distance. Let's try madcap shading. Let's join these guys. Dissolve these edges. Let's connect the vertices in this way. In hard surface modeling, we don't need to worry too much about quads. Insert these polygons, then merge and collapse. Merge at last. Cancel subsurface modifier. Unhide low poly version of the fuel cap. Rotate it 14 degrees in Y-axis. Add a Boolean modifier and pick the fuel tank as the difference operator. If the cut didn't work properly, rotate it 10 degrees in the local Z-axis. Let's freeze or reset rotation. Unhide the fuel cap and repeat the process. Here Boolean difference cut worked as expected. Let's uncheck face orientation. Let's try subsurface modifier. Nice. In the next lesson, you know what we are gonna do.